Hi guys, it's Alpha Blue and welcome to yet another daily Euro USD analysis. So in today's analysis, I'm looking at the chart and today is quite interesting because there are a lot of liquidities everywhere on the chart, and I'm just wondering which one is going to actually attract or induce the market. But so far the market is kind of confused, no certainty as to which direction it will take. It's just creating liquidity here and there, and then just ranging, not really making a very strong impulsive move to one side. But so far, I'm looking to sell the market, even though we have a liquidity resting above here. But there's also another liquidity down here. But for the short term, I'm trying to see if we could get an entry on this level. So I sell the market down to this demand zone here. But let's start from the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, remember this support here or demand area here that we have been looking at for the past 2 days. So far it has held perfectly. If I should take off everything, you see that this indecision candle actually formed right at the zone, at the demand zone. So when you see an indecision candle like this on a support or a resistance, you know it's like a reversal signal. So I'm looking to buy this market actually. I'm looking to see that Euro USD buys at least to somewhere here from this place. But then let's see how it goes. So this so far so good. This support is holding very well. So if you go to the 4 hour, you see that the market is still kind of ranging around this support. Yesterday, I was pointing out that there was a liquidity here that I was expecting to be taken out yesterday, especially because of this equal highs. Let's go to the 1 hour. So yesterday I pointed out that there was a liquidity here that the market will likely take out because of this equal highs that was here. The market was going to sweep this equal highs and probably sweep this liquidity here too. But surprisingly, the market didn't take out the liquidity up here. It cleared this equal highs though. And this was with this move. And this move was during Jerome Powell's speech yesterday evening, evening yesterday. So I didn't get to catch any move here. But when I saw that the market came and rejected exactly at this week, I knew that it was just like creating liquidity for it to later come and take it out again. So when the market came back down here, around this was the Asian session, all of this range here. So what I was expecting this morning was for price to come back down, take out and tap this demand zone here before it starts to push to the upside. So I was expecting something like this. I was expecting that price to come down here, tap this demand, give like a change of character, come back, then goes up to clear this liquidity that is up here. But that didn't happen. After the Asian session, if I put out the Asian range indicator, let's go to the 30 minutes. So this is the Asian range indicator. After the Asian range, the market didn't come down, it just bought straight up. Instead of it to now clear this liquidity that is here, the market didn't now clear the liquidity, the market just stalled and is trying to sell again. So today the market is just behaving confused. I think there's no, if we go to, there's no like any, let's check Forex Factory. There's no like any news event that's coming up okay, just an FOMC member is speaking by 3 p.m. later today. So nothing really serious. So I think that's why the market is just stalling, just ranging, nothing to push the price up or down. So and the big boys, the banks and institutions are kind of on the sidelines watching. So I guess that's why the market has just been behaving like this. So I was expecting this to happen in the morning, but it didn't happen. The market bought straight up, and then instead of it to now buy and clear this liquidity that was up here, it didn't. So right now, let me take this out. Right now, I'm looking to short the market. I'm not regarding this. I'm not regarding this liquidity that it is here. Why? Because I'm seeing that the market is giving off some bearish momentum. And if you let's go to the 15 minutes. Now you see that if you go to the 1 minute, there was a liquidity here that the market took out. So this is like a sweep, and it has given a change of character here. It has given a change of character to the downside, So, and if you look here, you see that there's another liquidity, the ancient range liquidity is lying just here. So I'm expecting to see this price come and take out this liquidity, come and tap this place before we get a push to the upside. So I'm expecting this to happen. I'm expecting this to happen. I'm expecting this to happen. But let's see how it goes. But before this, I'm even looking for a selling opportunity. I'm looking to sell the market right now. So if you go to the 15 minutes, we're already on the 15 minutes. If you check, you see like there's an indecision candle here. So I'm looking forward for the market to come. All of this choppy movement right here is liquidity. If you go to 5 minutes, you look at it, you can even draw a trend line. So this is like a trend line liquidity on the 5 minutes. So what I'm expecting the market to do, what I'm hoping to see the market do is to come up, tap this OB here and sell off to clear this liquidity down here, sell off into this demand area before we begin to see the major push to the upside. So that's what I'm expecting on Euro USD today. On Euro USD today. But mind you, there is a liquidity that is resting by to the left here. So this setup is not really so legit. It's not really a very like high probability setup. But I'm still willing to take the risks, and see how the market goes, because I feel this market will likely take out this liquidity before it goes for this higher liquidity. And mind you, we're still like looking more to long because of the market reacting to this support, this 4-hour support here. So we're more looking at the market, Euro USD continuing its bullish trend because of this key level, this key support level here. But for the short while, let's see if we can catch some sales to the downside. So that's it for Euro USD today, guys. Cheers, and see you in the next video.